What's up? This is Esther's husband Pritesh, and we are gonna make chocolate fudge today. Okay, so बनाते हैं chocolate fudge. First we'll switch on the gas, and then you check that the pan is a bit hot, medium hot. Till then, I'll show you guys what we're gonna be adding. I don't know, y'all can see this is Nestle's Milkmaid, which we used to love during childhood days, and 200 grams. This is cocoa powder. This is Cadbury's cocoa powder. And these are some crushed almonds that I'm gonna put some experimental shit. So let's cook. Ooh. Making some chocolate fudge for my wife. Don't be shy from emptying the sachet, because that's how you'll get the best of the best fudge. Now we have spatula and we have to stir this for some good hour. Kidding, just 5-10 minutes. Keep stirring till the consistency is a little watery. Right now it's a little jelly. As you can see, there are some clumps. So while it's getting hot, keep stirring a bit. Time to add some cocoa powder. Let it cook for a bit like that, and then shut it off. Quickly put in your cocoa powder. I think I fucked up the consistency, so let's just add some more Milkmaid. Yeah. Let's add some milk. There you go. Now for the final touch, some almond crumbs. These are crushed almond, to give some crumb flavors to it, mixed with some cashew. And I think we are done.
So I just came back from my workout and मुझे प्रीतेश ने बताया कि उसने चॉकलेट फज बनाया है मेरे लिए. So let's see अभी वो कैसा लग रहा है. Let's go to him. बैकग्राउंड में इतना नॉइज.
So guys, अभी तो सुनाई देगा क्योंकि मैं चिल्ला रहा हूँ. Hey.
पड़ोसी are having a party there. Our padosis.
Now
अब बोलो now.
Now I'm trying to rip this off. And as you can see, guys, I've made something beautiful. Really amazing.
You kept it in the freezer?
I kept it in the fridge. I didn't want to keep it in the freezer because I don't want to make ice cream. It's a fudgy. So now guys, the best part, because this is still not ready. I mean, it is ready, you can eat this, it's yum, but it is still not ready. This is my chocolate fudgy, but we're gonna make it like, you know, look and even taste much more better now with this. So I have just layered the fudge with cocoa powder. Now we're gonna cut it. Wow! Yes! All you need is patience, guys, when you cook. Voila! Choco almond fudge made by Pradesh Kadaria. Now let's do
Try na.
taste test.
Yeah.
And now I'm gonna eat it.
Give.
This is dark chocolate, but really nice. Let it settle down.
Thank you.
Guys, this you'll get 10 piece for 5k. You can order.
Please.
Peace out.
Yeah.